Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Bdellium Tools 972 brush is probably one of the most versatile and high-performing brushes available for makeup enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering an unparalleled blend of precision, softness, and durability that makes it an indispensable tool for achieving flawless makeup application across a wide range of products and techniques. This brush is meticulously crafted with premium synthetic fibers that mimic the feel and performance of natural hair, ensuring a smooth, even distribution of powders, creams, and liquids without any streaking or patchiness, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking professional quality results at home. Number 5. Daubigny Flat Top Kabuki Foundation Brush. Discover the ultimate foundation brush designed for a seamless application. Its incredibly soft bristles ensure a smooth, even finish without wasting product. Achieve a perfect, poreless makeup look in just 10 seconds. The large brush head and unique design make blending effortless, even in hard-to-reach areas. Presented in a beautiful protective case, this brush makes a stunning and practical gift. Its unique design is both cute and generous, perfect for any occasion. This multi-application brush works wonders with powder, liquid, cream, and blush. Achieve natural, poreless coverage with just a small amount of product. Experience high-quality craftsmanship with bristles that never shed. We guarantee a perfect makeup application and excellent customer support. Enjoy a touchably soft application that glides onto your skin. It applies foundation smoothly and evenly, ensuring a beautiful finish every time. What we like? This brush offers incredibly dense and soft bristles for a smooth, even application. Its large head ensures quick coverage, making it ideal for those who want a flawless base in seconds. If you're looking for a foundation brush that blends effortlessly and provides a poreless finish, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? The quality is perfect to get this effect. All the bristles are the same length. No shedding of tightly packed bristles. Great size and value. Works great. Makeup goes on smoothly and doesn't absorb and keep the product to a degree as other brushes do. Instead, product goes on your face. Number 4. Bdellium Tools Travel 714 Flat Eye Definer Brush. Achieve a flawless makeup application with this essential tool. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. The luxuriously lacquered, short wooden handle is designed for your convenience. It fits perfectly in any travel bag. Experience the gentle touch of its all-soft synthetic fibers. They ensure a smooth and comfortable application every time. This brush is expertly crafted for precise eye definition. Create stunning looks with ease and accuracy. Measuring just 4.9 inches, it's the ideal size for travel. Enjoy professional results without the bulk. Whether you're at home or traveling, this is the brush you'll reach for. It's designed for both performance and portability. What we like? Designed with a short, lacquered wooden handle, this brush is perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Its flat definer shape allows for precise eye definition. If you need a compact brush for detailed eye looks while traveling or for precise application in small areas, this is your go-to. What people say? The brush is perfect for detailed work and precise application. It has a good density and picks up product well. The bristles are soft yet firm, allowing for seamless blending. Number 3. Bdellium Tools Studio Series 24 PC Brush Set. Discover the Bdellium Tools Studio Series 24-piece brush set. This collection offers professional-grade tools designed for exceptional makeup application. Each brush features luxuriously lacquered long wooden handles. They provide a comfortable and balanced grip for precise control. This set includes a convenient studio roll-up pouch. It's designed to keep your brushes organized and protected on the go. The pouch boasts a stylish black exterior and a sophisticated brown interior. It's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Elevate your makeup artistry with this comprehensive set. It provides all the essential brushes you need for a flawless finish. Experience the difference quality makes with Bdellium Tools. This set is a must-have for any makeup enthusiast or professional. What we like? This comprehensive set includes a wide array of brushes with luxuriously lacquered long wooden handles. It comes with a convenient roll-up pouch, making it perfect for professionals or makeup enthusiasts who want a complete collection. If you're building your makeup kit or need a versatile set for various applications, this is an excellent investment. What people say. They are very high quality, with dense, soft bristles, extremely well shaped according to intended use, with perfectly sized handles. No shedding, loose ferrules, or any other issues. They are super soft. Please clean these brushes first. If you go by the feel of the brush before you clean them, you may think otherwise at first. Still using these after years of great maintenance and upkeeping, they still look like new. Best investment as a makeup artist on a good brush set that does it all. Number 2. Bdellium Tools Studio Series 999 Master Blender. Introducing the Studio Series 999 Master Blender from Bdellium Tools. This essential tool is designed for a flawless finish. It's perfect for creating a smooth and poreless finish on your skin. Get ready to love your complexion like never before. This brush works best with your favorite cream and liquid foundations. Achieve seamless application every time. Crafted with all vegan, soft synthetic fibers, it feels incredibly gentle on your skin. Experience luxury with every stroke. This beautiful rose gold blender is not only functional but also a stylish addition to your makeup collection. It's a single piece for your convenience. Measuring 2.4 inches, it's the perfect size for your makeup bag. Easy to handle for precise application. What we like. This blender brush is crafted with all vegan, soft synthetic fibers to create a smooth and poreless finish. It's specifically recommended for use with cream and liquid foundations. If you prefer a seamless, airbrushed look and use liquid or cream products, this brush will help you achieve that perfect blend. What people say. It makes my foundation go on flawlessly. Feels so soft no matter what direction I use it. My foundation goes on so smooth and the brush is so soft. This brush is here to stay. I hope they don't ever stop making it. Number 1. Bdellium Tools Golden Triangle Phase 2 15PC Brush Set. Discover the ultimate makeup tool collection. This comprehensive set is designed to elevate your artistry with precision and ease. Experience the softness of all vegan synthetic bristles. Each brush is crafted to be 100% cruelty-free and hypoallergenic, ensuring gentle application. The unique triangular handles offer superior grip and control. Say goodbye to brushes rolling away, and hello to effortless application. From powder and blush to intricate detailing, this set includes 15 versatile brushes. Achieve any look you desire with the right tool. Featuring a stunning rose gold brass ferrule and a vibrant blue lacquered wooden handle, these brushes are as beautiful as they are functional. Keep your new favorite tools organized and protected with the included golden triangle stand-up pouch. Perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. What we like. Featuring unique triangular, ergonomically designed handles that prevent rolling, this set offers superior control and comfort. Made with all vegan synthetic bristles, it's also cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. If you value comfort, control, and a comprehensive brush collection for all your makeup needs, this set is designed for you. What people say. They stand the test of time and apply makeup beautifully. These are amazing quality and ergonomically designed. Beautiful blood handles. Son suaves y los levo seguido. Difuminan bien las sombras, el maquillaje en general. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.